Alright, so let's take a look at your MetaQuest. So, to take these guys out, it's pretty easy. So, as I mentioned before, I did have an older one before, but even if you guys have the original one without the battery, it's gonna be the exact same thing. To pull this out, you literally just pull it out. I know it's kind of scary to do that sometimes because you're thinking, well, I'm gonna break it. But no, you kind of just snap it off from this side as well, and just snap it off. Just make sure to snap it off this way. That way it's actually gonna snap off. You're not breaking anything. And then you just take this out. So technically for installation of the one that I'm gonna show you, you do have to take this out. Just make sure it's powered off, by the way. Fully powered off, don't just put it to sleep. But for most of them, you just have to take this out. And it should be technically easy. So you just pull that out and that's it. And you just take this off. So that's how it looks without it. But for the installation of this one, we have to take this off. So you're just gonna have to snap it off. Now, I know this one's a little bit different, but it's the same thing. Kind of just like snap it off. It's gonna be a little bit easier with the original one. If you guys had another one like this, it's gonna be a little bit more tricky just because it has to snap out. But it should snap out pretty easy. So that's how you guys can take this out. It's pretty easy. Again, the next thing we have to do is just attach this. So this is supposed to go in here. So we're just gonna make this bigger just to make it easy on us. So what I'm gonna do is do a close-up so you guys can actually see what's going on. See this clip here. So we're gonna attach this part, not this part. Okay, that's gonna clip here. So what you guys wanna do, and it's hard to align. It's not that easy because you're supposed to snap this in first and this in, but I found that that's a little bit harder to do. I think it's easier if you just snap this in first and then put in the sides. You guys can just move this. But you guys can do either or. So we're just gonna move this in there. You guys heard that clip? So there we go. And then you guys can attach the sides. But you guys technically could have done the sides first. So the sides, we just have to go align them. They're gonna snap in. Gonna align. They're gonna snap in just like that. And there we go. Does that mean that's it for the setup? Not really. We have to put the facial thing again. So let's do that. So we're gonna go on and reattach this. To reattach, all we have to do is just align and press on it again. It's actually quite easy. With the one that I have, it's a tiny little bit more tricky. Just a tiny little bit more tricky. But here we go, we just align it and then it just clicks in. And there we go, all done. As long as everything clicks in, you guys are pretty much set. So as mentioned, as everything snaps in, you should be good. Now the one that I have, you guys can create a lot more space for it. That's just the one that I have. But anyways, once you do that, just plug this in here. That's it. You're pretty much done with the setup. So these so easy to set up. Let me just show you. It's like that. And once you put it on, again, the first thing you guys want to do is check out the lights to see how much battery you got. You guys probably want to charge it actually. So plug it in there to charge this. And you guys want to make this really big. Once you put it on, then put this up. You guys will most likely not even adjust this, but do it. Once it's on your head, go ahead, take this out and put it tighter or loosen it up. Before you even put it on, I would loosen it up a little bit. Just leave it there. Most likely you won't touch it just because everything is so well designed that it's gonna stay whether it's really loose or not. But this is how it looks like, and it's really good. Again, to charge it, it's just back here. It's gonna charge both things at the same time. That's how it looks like. It's a really good sign. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.